So for the second part, we'll be explaining the system states. So we'll be building a finite state machine. A finite state machine is a type of machine that has multiple type of operation. It's using different states. Okay, so this system will have three states of operation. The first is registration to sensor. By the way, the three states of operation can be switched by a button. So imagine that this is your machine. Okay, you have a machine like this one. You have is quite a machine there, and you want to register a faculty. First is to register their fingerprint to the Adafruit fingerprint scanner. So we'll be pressing a button, and we'll go to state 1. So state 1, the Arduino uh, will will work as to register the finger to a fingerprint sensor. If you want to register the faculty to the database, to the XAMPP or the MySQL database, you need to press the button again to go to state 2. For the state 2, the Arduino will be running or will be working, or the code will be, the program flow inside the Arduino will be connecting this Arduino client and laptop for communication, so that if you scan your finger here, it will send the finger template or the fingerprint number towards the server, and here in the server you will be inputting the name, the schedules of the faculty. It's registration of faculty to the database. So this part, the user or the admin will be inputting data to the MySQL database, embedding the schedule of the faculty to his or her fingerprint. The last state is the actual operation or the everyday daily operation. So this part of this state of the system is quite the longest one. This is where the system will wait for, will automatically text the admin, or let's say dean, if the faculty is late. Okay, automatically unlocks and locks the solenoid lock on the laboratory door. It will also this is the phase where the system will work in its normal operation. So if it will also check if the faculty that will conduct class is his schedule. If not, the door will not lock, and the LCD will display it's not your class yet, something like that. Or if the faculty is not registered to that system, the system will just display uh, finger not registered, something like that. We can just find a way of the best message for that type of, so that it will not annoy the faculty to be used. Okay. So if the faculty is registered and it is time to class, to conduct class, the system will unlock the door, display welcome message on the LCD, and will send the name of the faculty and the real time to the admin CP number, or let's say to the dean or any admin that is monitoring. So at the same time, the entry and exit of the faculty inside the lab room will be registered to a database, so that later if someone wants to check the attendance sheet of the faculties attending or going outside the room, it can be done by querying or asking the database. So the database must have MySQL, Apache, and PHP. So for the operations, actually the most of the operations will be done on the server. What the Arduino does is just query or question the server. Okay, is this the faculty that will conduct class? Okay, basically just something like that, or theoretical questions. The laptop will reply yes or no. If yes, it will display message. If not, okay, or the reply is the finger is not registered, something like that. So basically, all of the operations will be done here. Not all, most of the operations will be done here. Okay, Arduino will just be will serve as the fingerprint scanner to run the fingerprint scanner, to send message, okay, and to display message, okay, something like that. And by the way, we also have RTC to check the time. So the loop that we created is, or we tested, is that every 30 minutes, okay, which is determined by the real-time clock, if no one is on the classroom conducting class, the system will check if there should be a class on the laboratory room. Okay. If there should be a faculty, and there should be a class, and the faculty is not yet around, it will wait for 10 minutes, then will send an SMS stating that the faculty is late, something like that. Okay, so it's automatically detecting that the faculty is now late. Okay, parang late na siya, kailangan niya na text yung something like that. If and another thing is, when the faculty goes out of the classroom, something like that, or it's time to dismiss, okay, the system will automatically check, okay, because the class is every 30 minutes. So if there is still a class, if there is still a faculty inside the classroom conducting class, something like that, and it's already his time to dismiss, that's why we place a buzzer there. So the buzzer will sound, telling that the time, it's already time's up, okay, something like that. So thank you.